everybody, I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to talk about the program which has been conducted by the Department of Homeopathy under the Government of Kerala, that is Karudalode Munnottu. So this is the program which has been organized since 2 months and it has been inaugurated on 25th of October 2021. It's a state level function or the program which has been conducted over each and every district of Kerala, which is considering the block level as well as panchayat level. So it occupies or it is dealing with each and every kind of dispensaries which is available in panchayat, whether it can be of government dispensary, government home dispensary, or the NHM dispensary, that is APHC, or the NAM project, and various colleges which is present in Kerala. That is 5 colleges. So it's a statewide level program of Kerala. So in this program, we are giving immune booster dose or the preventive medicine for COVID, for COVID-19. It's not the it's not a curative medicine, but it's a preventive medicine, and it has been given to the school going children, and the program has been set to give these medicine before November 1. That is the day when our children are supposed to enter the school after a long gap. That is much more long gap. That is almost 1.5 years. So I would like to discuss these things. Below the age of 18 years, we have not, the children are not being vaccinated. There is no age group below 18 years where the children can take vaccine. That is not been allowed right now, and moreover, there is no such medicine right now availed which can treat or which can deal with this COVID situation. So it's our responsibility, I'm telling our responsibility, that is each and every person responsibility to prevent the condition or the situation. For that, I'm making this video. I'm not I'm not defaming, or I'm not telling about the disadvantage of any system. Allopathic, Ayurveda, Homeo, Siddha, Unani, each system has its own role, whether it can be disadvantage or advantages. At times, we homeopathic doctors need allopathic medicines too, at time of surgery itself, at time of emergency. So we are not denying any kind of treatment, but right now there is certain issues are coming that we should not be given. The homeopathic medicine should not be given to the children, and these allegations has been made by allopathic doctors. So I genuinely consider that each system should be encouraged. That's why we can work together. So telling about this program has taken the homeopathic field in a next level. That is a much more technical side. I'm telling about technical side. These registration is very important for children, and it has been taken under online platform. So we have a portal, that is a website, www.ahims.kerala.gov.in. That is a site. In that site, you can enter and you can see this 2 section. The left side with the poster, the one poster is there, and that side we can have an option, click here. That is a option for the registration. The other side, that is the right side, is for the office purpose. That is the person who is dealing, the staff. That is for that. So there is a confusion is there. That's why I'm telling this much. The right side and the left side. This is a portal, and also we have given demo file. So I insist the education department or the principal or the HM or the PTA staff to whom we have circulated this link, please share the demo file also, so that the people can see that demo file and can register themselves. Those who don't know the language, or those who don't know how to use a phone or typing thing, for that we have spot registrations too. And for any kind of queries, you can have a helpline number. We have a helpline number, that is 1800-599-2011. That is a helpline. So you can have different kinds of queries, and you can have those answers too by calling this number. And in one day, lots of people are coming asking about the slot availability. So in one day we have 1,000 slots. Okay, so you can book your slot on the previous day for the next day. That is a thing. And the medicines which we are giving is the RSAT 30. So lots of information has been passed in different media, like this is a toxic thing, it will harm our body, it will harm the brain, the liver, each and everything in this world can harm. Okay, whether it is metal or anything. So for a medicine, when it has been considered as a medicine, please take it like that. In homeopathy, we are using RSAT 30, 200, 1M. Different potencies has been used. So it has been considered in the medicine list, not in the toxic list. So please try to understand homeopathic medicines is different than that of allopathic medicine, than that of Ayurvedic medicine, than Unani medicine. So please don't compare the toxic effect of regarding these allopathic doctors who are telling. Just have a open mind set up to accept each and every system in its way. So we are not forcing anybody to take this medicine or to give these medicines to children. Those who have the faith in our system can directly come to the dispensary or to private sector or to colleges, anywhere, to have this thing. So just make sure you just consider your level and book your slot immediately. So thank you for listening me. Thank you.